Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple version of NQN bot without any coding. So at first fork this REPL, you will find the link on my Discord server, so join my Discord server, link in the description box. So come to the Discord dev portal and make a bot. Make sure that your bot is on single guild and also those three options are enabled. Now copy your Discord bot token and go to Replit secret tab. Now type token with all caps and add your copied token on value field. Now click add new secret. Now run this project. So our project is running. Let's see it's working or not. So as you can see I have no nitro in my account. So let's try to use this animated emoji with this bot. To use that emoji with this bot you have to type :emoji name:. So as you can see this bot is working fine. So now let's see how you can make this project 24/7. At first copy the URL you will get when you run this project. Now come to your Freshbing dashboard. If you don't have any Freshbing account you can create one by watching this video. You will find the link in the description box as well as iCard. So after that click on add check. Now paste your copied URL on check URL field and make sure to make your URL lowercase. Now scroll down and click on add check. So that's it. Now your bot will stay 24/7 online.